Hello everyone, welcome back to the video 6 where we have reached the second last step of the HireSmart AI workflow. So far we have seen how the system matches a student to the best job, routes them through the action center for approval and then generates personalized technical and soft skills interview questions. Now it is the time to bring everything together and deliver it directly to the student. Here's how the final delivery works. The RPA process collects the output from the job matcher, the technical evaluator, and the soft skill evaluator. It compiles all of this into a personalized email, including the recommended job details, company locations, match percentage, skills required, and two attachments for technical and the soft skill questions. So the email is sent straight to the student inbox, creating a single clear preparation packaging that they can immediately work on. So again, I'll move back to my studio and show you how it works. So this is my solution. You have already seen it before in the previous videos. Now I'll go ahead and create one RPA workflow. Maybe I can just give it a very simple name for now, like send email, and it has now started to create my workflow. Now my workflow is created. So first I'll just show you this send email activity. So in the send email activity, we'll be using few parameters and we'll send an email. So let's start with the email body. So in the email body, I've already created a template, and based on this template, I'll create all the variables just to make sure that I don't miss anything there. So I'll copy and open my expression editor for now and paste everything there. Let me paste it there. Yep, it worked. So it is something like, hi, the student name will create variables for that. Congratulations, based on your skill set, we have matched you a great opportunity. And then we have the role, company, location, match percentage, and some of the job details. And after that, we'll attach two more documents over there. But for now, I'll just move this to this body only, and we'll go ahead and create all the required variables. So my first variables was a student name. So I'll go to my solution now. It is taking time. So now I'll now create a argument. So the first argument is student underscore name. Direction is in and the input type is text. My next variable should be the role, company, and match percentage. So this would be my role. Sorry, this should be my argument. I need to delete it. Okay, I just change it to argument. The next argument should be company. So is it COMPANY? Then we have location, match underscore percentage. Then we have skills required. I can just copy it here. Copy it, paste the value, skills required. Nice to have. Again, a variable, and then we have min CGPA. Next, I have experience required, and then the last one is CTC range. And then we have two attachments, soft skills and technical skills. So we'll be creating those files on the fly. And if you have seen my previous videos, the output for soft skills and technical skills agent were array. So this is my soft skills underscore output. The type was array of string. So let me just find array, and it should be of text type. Similarly, I'll create one more argument, which is my tech skills underscore output, and this would be again of type array of text. So I guess my this part is ready. I'll be replacing it soon. Let me first create those files for you. So first I'll take this activity name create file on the top of send email activity and just give it a name. So it should be technical skills.txt. For now I'm just creating a text file here, and the variable name should be, it should be technical skills. So this I will be attaching to my email. So it is technical skills. So now the file has been created. The next activity that I will take here is write text file. So in the text file, I'll use my variable, which is my technical skills. And for the text, I just need to make some changes. And this would be my string dot join environment dot new line, and the variable name was text skills underscore output. Yep. So that's done. So this will write the array into this variable, into this file. That's done. Similarly, I'll create another file, but before that, let me just see if that works. Technical skills, yeah, that is okay. The next one is again create file, and the file name here would be softskills.txt. Similarly, I need to create a variable here. So it should be my soft skills. I'll create, and the last activity is write text file. Now I'll be writing to my soft skill text file. So the file name should be my soft skills. Yes, that's right. And again in this I'll write this syntax again, which is string dot join environment dot new line, environment dot new line comma soft skills. Okay, that's done. So I've got my technical skills.txt and my soft skills.txt. Now in the attachment part, I'll click on build a collection of attachment and hit enter here, and then add the file. So the first file should be my soft skills, and the next one should be my, if I go to the search box again, right, text file, it should be my technical skills. Yep. So that's done now. Okay, I'll just send it to my inbox only, which is, sorry, it is 1 minute RPA at gmail.com. ONEMINUTE at gmail.com. Yes, that's right. I also need to change some property here, like I don't want to save this as draft, so it is false. Subject should be, it could be anything like hire smart AI. You can pick any name there. Now I need to change the body here. So for this, there are like multiple options. You can go for this rich text composer and now start adding the values. So the first one here is my student name, which is this, and this will be replaced. Next we have role. So instead of this role, we will use that role. And then company is this company. Next we have location, variable percentage. So I just make sure it remains in the percentage only. So you should have a variable match percentage. Then we have skills required. It should be skills required. Yes, we have it. Then we have nice to have. Nice to have should look like this. The next one is minimum CGPA. For this, we have already created a variable. That is my minimum CGPA. The next one is experience required. And the last one is CTZ range LPA. I'm not sure was it there in LP or not, but for now just select it and then I just say good luck, hire smart AI. So now I have bundled everything together. It starts with creating a file for technical skills and then with the soft skills, then I'm just sending it to my Gmail. I've already made a connection with Gmail. If you don't have it, you need to go to integration services and create one connection for Gmail or any account you have, be it Outlook, be it any other domain. So you need to create that connection first before coming here, and then save as draft should be false, otherwise it will save the output in the draft. And then this is my to email subject and the body. Yeah, seems like everything is done. Maybe we can just test it for now. Okay, student name is Manoj, role is I'm just putting dummy data here, ML engineer, company is Gema AI, location Pune, match percentage 60, skills required Python, cybersecurity, minimum CGPA 7.5, experience 0 to 1, CTC range 12 to 15, and in the soft skill output, maybe I can just add something like, for now, okay, soft skills 1, and this should be my soft skills 2. Obviously, this will come from agent. That's done. And technical skills should be again tech skills 1, and the next one is tech skills 2. Okay, now I'll hit save and debug. It has now started running. Yes, on the right hand side I can see that it is building the project now. Parallelly I can open my Gmail. Now it has started executing, created all the files and send the email as well. Let me go back to my Gmail and see. Oh, I have got a email just now. So it says, "Hi Manoj, congratulations. Based on skill set, we have matched you to a great opportunity. Okay, these are the things, job details. I'm more interested into this attachments. So this is my soft skills. Okay, I guess I just need to. Okay, we have the tech skills 1 and tech skills 2. So I guess that's been done. So this is how you can create your RPA process to consolidate everything and send the response back to the user. So this is about this final process where we are sending the email to the student. In the next demo, we'll create a Mastero workflow where we'll be you can say just tie everything together under one platform. So stay tuned. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.